Khurumjari mayambu amuka hanna ai channel asida taramna okjari ngasise mayamna thoidok hendokna khangnaraba akhoi creative circle ana coaching center ama laibado adugi 13 rak suba foundation day pangthokpaneba ado mamangi foundation dasu ai yawgiba laijare matamdudadi aigi YouTube channel ase hangjadri ado ngasidi aina sigi vlog se namjari base kaigino haiba matamda horen akhoi chief guest oina guest of honor oina lakadori basingse ngasagi angang singda yamna inspiration pigadaba dignitaries khara yawi adugidamakta aina ngasigi video se namjabane ado mayam se haidringagi mangoina na ko ai kainomtang haijaramge ngasidi mamangi video khaidai sari se pasu mayamna dum ubiramagani ko adugi sari du khaidodi kaidogono haiba kanda anambana akhoi mapangi fabric ngaktaneba adubu ngasi aina sechariba sari sidi akhoi chichegi sari ne sisina akhoi manipur gi purely akhoi manipur handloom gi sari neba aduna aijo kitang utkena tawjarambane so sari gi mapan gasidi am phajai ko auna mapan gi sunflower siga gi blouse siga ina chana halle aduga sechare sigi sari je akhoi chena masana ho ampok sangadriba sari neba ada aina sumain to function ama leye aduna ngasagi ai hanai sari se nataba khogi manipur gi oiba sari setningi haiba kana si je khochena lay amadi lay ahan bane haiba ada hek ahan ba sangadriba sari ni nain tan mane ko ahan boyradi yare da na haire bako adagidi ado sum aina mamangda jo haijagi na chinnaw da aina last oiba khotpasina adum nungai haiba je ko aduna ngasagi manang pina hairabane na ko na adum sanga jawdan akhochen pirakpane ba fall da loi tai loirabane na blouse ti 2 day haiba aina ai blouse siga adum chana hanba yagadaba layana so sari full ne horen ai gi adum full ubam pa yawrakani bako adukanda adum yengbiro ai amung leptana khotana ai post to tawjararoige aduna ngasigi ada adum yengminnarase kamain tawba aduga MCS handaki akonbe haidokibado ada creative circle gi dai tammaga phawgiba khaigisu moise felicitation program neba aduga makoise lunch yawgani ai khara hawba ngasidi khara chajaragani aduna mayam akhoi function da muk mai onsilasi aduga function china akhoi GP women's college ki hek opposite ta laiba hotel Imoles ko ada pangthokadori bane ado how it turns out to be have the taminaras
exam ni all India gi 400 500 katang chai kuding officers khalini even sainik school da crores of rupees every year spend toroga sakana spend toroga chalaiba sigi foundation starting from class 6 to wasibo da chahi midami amani dagi hena photo bongam de ani hum dagi we are on par with it so defense ki da NDA CDS haima tam the creative circle is like a synonyms to these courses so aduga akoina maruina we are very strong in the written area NDA gida I'm proud to say that we are not only equal to the Northeast but all India the written area the defense areas that we probably say we present our say we are in the at the same level as in the all India level and the fourth one that is the engineering service.
Director of Creative Circle. Now I take great pleasure in inviting our chief guest, Honorable Sri Yumnam Khemchan, Chief Minister Government of Manipur, to present a short speech.
Lady Sharma, retired principal, GP Women College. Recite of Vidiba Mangda, Benjin Vidiba, Sigi, MPSC exam, the successful when Uirava, candidate Singh, the Pentamadi Mediagi, Sinop Singh, the Simbilang Vidiba, Puno Wina, Kaikum Uchari. Cannot TV number challenges में हम आते हैं ये conflict ये कोरोना की सेना सिक्थें सिकी मरक सिना creative circle सिना lobby ला मिलवाई initiative से सिंथा निगाई वो या कि हाइज़ दिंगी तो गलों ना सही MPSC ये successful होगी बा करूँगी candidates सिंसिदर यो भी बरा Please stand up.
Oh, like about being a CZ, when you protest of anti-repressive day and palan to go to be the Michitaba. the creative circle na tawiriba initiative si yang pai koigi angang sing competitive exam da yauna ba mai specialization loina mak tawriga specialization da engineering ga karika tawri si creative circle ngakta ni atai gi sina SSC gi UPSC gi MPSC gi si focus taw aina direct tawri gi di khalaba candidate police nataba atai singdi apai da interaction tawrakini police ki di training se separately satkini adana koi ga interaction tawi aroi tawi khudong chabu kya lai roi adaga state academy of training da lakadari ba maya secretary ki khangde election office ki khangde finance service ki junior MCS ki sidi ko interaction na tawi opportunity to them lakani and then when direct tawini si Manipur ki awa ana yenga busidi MPSC ne khanba kambu sine kaino the UPSC ne khale kambu sidi moi sei manga taruk la rekanda moi central deputation sakhine moi chatar sia de hoji central deputation chatra di moi nya government da joint secretary matha ka ba ya de na moi dum sakhine Manipur ki awa ana yenga do sidi MPSC ne khanba kambu sine Science yam na akwai na thabak changma matamda akwai chahi tarik nipan se akwai sita posting ta ge na ai gi batch da akwai trama thoi yawi police ki manga ni not a single person for 7 years akwai mantri da chatlaga MLA da chat akwai lobby mok to ki de
Mathanda Kaushinjari Olivia Wangkem rank 15. Ma'am Olivia Mathanda mo Kaushinjagi ning 1000 mga sing rank 19. Mathingda mo Kaushinjagi Ningombam Athoibi Devi 27th rank in MPSC 2022 examination. Mathangda mo Kaushinjari Thank you, respected Sri T. Bozendo, retired IPS. Mathangi President Bibina Bagidamagda, President Ki Famhamlanda Lengshin Biriba, respected Dr. B. Lal Hari, retired Principal of GP Women's College, Saree, Kothokchari. Mathangi candidacy. Next, I request Amom Rohan Singh, rank 75.
Ladies and gentlemen, very good morning to all of you. We ngasi creative circle ki yang nungai bin min hai 14th foundation day aduga the successful candidates mayam the recent MPSC gi candidates mayam bu felicitate the functions is the chief guest of the honorable chief minister aduga guest of honor the yamu Dr. R.K. Nimai aduga the president when the Dr. Lal Hari Sharma loina na mayam pulo lok koi kurumjari han han the creative circles have engaged over the very short period. As I am at the service, Manipur Mpsc service number more states activities, states function, Mayamski am Queen Sana associate of them. After retirement, and the MPSC Perkaski context, I am TL but the moment the creative circles associate to the Java Fanzaki. Successful work the candidate. I think the candidate will be able to go. We'll have a mock interview that take the big Java so have a time. On the Hana successful work Bapaki Masigi, my papa say, I'm chow the role of Sanari Bapaki, creative circle 14 years of a journey. See, celebrate the wishes, they congratulations to Zeri. Afaba institution number run to see arrive with Hokinati. It's not easy at all. Other institution number run to Matamda and this was 14 years. So the Changiba Apagi Kahata commitment 17, 18 years service to though I started from state service. On the state service, however, states still have a concept. I think we should look beyond this. And the state's picture is that from experience and technical skill. This can actually take you in good stead in the national as well as in international environment. So my thumbs are and my own personal experience. So they get to understand those about experience. Last point. The aspirant may have successful candidate felicitate them. But there are a huge number of aspirants that's coming. Masiki words is the personal, it's like it's like intelligence, and the personal effort successful and the state coaching center creative circle and huge amount of information. But information is filter focus. This is what coaching centers provide. One of them structure, one of them structure, focus, the information filter, the learning environment, and this is where creative circle work comes in. The creative circle is the accessible web, the cost effective web. The Sunatan states the lady retired was asking retired bureaucrats when experience in Myanmar shared on the platform provide those. This is, I think, a good work, a commendable work that is done by Creative Circle.
Minister Thakachari, creative circle की माइकई दगी मथंदा याबुंग निमाय आरके निमाय डॉक्टर आरके निमाय रिटायर आईएएस सपोर्ट याउद्रबती फैमिली की सपोर्ट याउदबे याते ओजाजी की सपोर्ट याउदबे याते अदुगा मसिदेसिदा अखोगी इंस्टीट्यूट अमा ओइना सिगी प्लेटफॉर्म अमा ओइना मसि अखोई माइ पापा मी अमा ओइरगे perfect mak natragasu sugumba amadi oiragi habi wakhanda experience mayam ama akoi competitive exam da masi yauraga akoi masi mai pa agi habi wakhanda thura iba yaubi riba punamak pusu akoi na thagat pusu phongdok chari akoi creative circle gi mai kai degi adu loina na akoi gi experience mayam chinsiki akoi parents sinsiku creative circle da salu from sida salaga nangi kanosi mai pakani hebigi kano sida thabiragana asigi sigumba aikoigi aitungi
ꯂꯟꯁꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯎꯅ ꯆꯥꯊꯣꯔꯛꯑꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯌꯧꯖꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯍꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯑꯒꯦ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯣꯖꯤꯡ ꯔꯤꯃꯥꯔꯛ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯝꯒꯦꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯣꯃꯦꯟꯇꯣꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯃꯦꯟꯇꯣꯁꯦ ꯐꯖꯕꯅꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯎꯠꯂꯝꯒꯦꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯛꯁꯦꯁꯐꯨꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ CMꯒ ꯐꯣꯇꯣꯒ ꯅꯝꯃꯤꯟꯅꯗꯅ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗꯀ ꯐꯪꯗꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯎꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯛꯁꯦꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯗꯣ ꯏꯠ ꯇꯦꯛꯁ ꯌꯔꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯍꯥꯔꯗ ꯋꯥꯔꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯗꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯂꯥꯡꯐꯥꯡ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯆꯪꯗꯅ ꯆꯨꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯡ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯣꯀꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯋꯥꯏ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯋꯥꯏ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯥꯏꯅꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯊꯪ ꯅꯤꯖꯔꯤ